welcome back to Ride Review. Today we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet S10, a truck that's both rugged and refined, designed to meet the demands of everyday driving and off-road adventures. Stick around, because every day will update you on the latest features of the S10, keeping things fresh and exciting. Let's start with performance. The 2025 S10 comes equipped with a 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, generating 200 horsepower and a robust 369 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain delivers excellent towing capacity, making it a great option for anyone needing serious hauling power. Plus, with a new 8-speed automatic transmission, the S10 shifts smoothly, enhancing fuel efficiency and performance. You'll find the S10 equally capable on rugged terrain, thanks to its improved off-road suspension and available four-wheel drive system, giving you confidence whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. On the design front, Chevrolet has given the S10 a sharp, modern look. The bold front grille and sleek LED headlights immediately catch your eye, while its muscular stance hints at its durability. Inside, the 2025 S10 features a more refined cabin. Premium materials, a larger 10.1-inch infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and more legroom make for a comfortable ride. Chevrolet also ensured that the S10 stays connected with wireless charging and multiple USB ports. Safety is also a top priority in the 2025 S10. With features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera, Chevrolet has packed in plenty of driver assist technology to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. The S10's unique selling points are its combination of power, off-road capability, and modern tech. Whether you're using it for work or play, this truck strikes a balance between being a tough performer and a practical daily driver. And with a starting price of around $32,000, it remains competitively priced in the mid-size pickup segment. Now, every day we'll be diving into specific features to keep you updated on what this vehicle can do. Be sure to come back tomorrow as we highlight more about its off-road capabilities. That's all for today's ride review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily updates on the 2025 Chevrolet S10.